Hey boy, what are you doing up there taking a nap? You napping? Oh, zoom out a little. Hey Bubba, how you doing today? You napping? You hungry? Mama already fed you? You don't want to come get no more? Come on. Come on. Come get him. You tired today? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Hi. Here. Okay. This is what we do every day. Come on, you want another one? Come on. Come get it. I'm out of almonds. I don't know if you want any more. Oh, there's one more. Okay. Yeah. Mama said you was full. Oh shit, fat boy, you got yellow jackets all around you. That ain't good.